Hi guys, and today we're going to be making slime.
Cameron has been wanting to do this for a long time, and he wanted to make a video about it, so here we are. We have the directions right here for the dynamite disco ball.
Dynamite?
Yeah. Dynamite disco ball peace and love slime. So it says measure 15 milliliters of clear glue using the supplied measuring cup and pour it into a bowl. Which one's the bowl, Cameron? Is it this?
I think, no, this is the cup.
Yeah, is this the bowl?
I think.
Alright.
Oh, you also need to take off the cap for that for a reason, because it's been blocking us this whole time. Why? Why have you done this to us?
Okay, 15 mils is there. You see that?
Yeah.
That line there.
Okay, I'll
measure it for you. 15 milliliters.
I like the bubbles going like up when you like letting it go. Hold on.
Alright.
I'm already getting sticky.
15 milliliters into the bowl, and then it says scrape the walls of the cup to get as much out as possible. I think that's what this is for.
Are you sure? Because we have popsicle sticks.
Alright, let's use popsicle sticks.
Actually, this might be. Yeah, this is for the stirring.
Scrape it out. There we go. Get as much out as possible. Alright. Then it says measure 25 milliliters of water at room temperature and put it into the same bowl.
At room temperature?
So,
okay, let's head to the bathroom.
Fill that right up.
To the bathroom?
Yep. And then put it in this bowl. Here, take it with you.
Okay. So, 25 mils?
Yep. So while Cameron's doing that, I'll let you guys know that we do have I have a new YouTube channel just for gaming called Shawn Pipiers. You can check it out. I have a couple videos up there right now of different gaming options, and I'm also on Twitch every Wednesday, Saturday, and Sunday, streaming late night, streaming different RPGs. And you can come join me there, but right now during the COVID-19 isolation, I'm also doing bonus days as well, so I'm there more often than that. We're also on Twitter at Pipiers Family, so you can follow us there and get live updates as they happen, see what's going on with us, with Keaton, with everything. And if there's any reason why we can't post a video or I can't be on Twitch, you'll find it there.
So I poured it in.
Yep. Come on in.
There's bubbles in this. So should I run
So now it says add color and glitter. For dynamite disco ball slime, add a bag of metallic glitter. Which one do you want to make? Dynamite disco ball or peace and love?
I'll say dynamite disco ball.
Okay, so add the bag of metallic squares to the bowl with the glue and water, and then continue to step 4.
All of it? 3, 2, 1. Get out of here. You have to get every single piece I want.
And then what does step 4 say? Stir the mixture of glue, water, and confetti with the slime stick until it's fully blended.
So slime stick? I guess that's...
Well, you could use the same one we had.
Okay. 2, 3.
Stir it. Until it's all mixed together.
So this might take a little while.
And then it says measure 5 milliliters of the slime activator solution.
Oh, that's like right here.
And slowly pour it
It's starting to get thicker. Like
into the slime bowl while stirring. Always use the slime sticks to stir. Don't stir with your hands.
or else what will happen?
It'll just stick to your hands. So that's the other bottle of stuff right there, Cameron. Slime activator.
So we're gonna take that out. 5 mils. Oh. Man, that thing smells.
Well, it's slime. I don't think it's supposed to smell
No,
nice.
I mean like it's this. Now I need 5 mils. 10.
It's probably the lowest one, Cameron.
5. Okay.
You have 5. Hold it level. Make sure you hold it up. Hold it straight. Straight up and down.
Yep.
Okay. Now pour it in while stirring, it says.
It's starting to get thicker.
Yeah.
Like very thick.
Avoid contact with your eyes and rinse the measuring cup between uses.
Oh, slime.
After all the solution absorbs,
Oh.
you can remove the slime from the bowl with your hands and knead it, stretch it, and pull it until it becomes sticky and more cohesive.
It's already sticky. The slime activator activated
This will make the
it.
slime softer and more stretchy.
I kind of want to eat it, but I know that's not going to be good.
No, you shouldn't eat it.
I know.
Definitely don't eat it.
Oh. Time to scoop it out. That's hard to scoop out. No. Come on.
Careful.
I'm gonna try again. It's very sticky. And this is the first time I'm playing with slime. Ooh, it's cold. That's very cold. Ooh, slimy. Oh no. We left some of it behind.
It's okay.
Oh. Or do you think I should put this back in the bowl now? Oh, I'm gonna have to
And then it says to store your slime in one of the containers so that it doesn't dry out. And there you have it. We have our disco ball slime. So what do you think, Cameron?
It's cool.
Yeah, you glad you got that for your birthday?
Yeah. Oh, my hands. Yeah. I think I can't get this off my hands. My hands.
Okay, there you have it. We made our disco ball, metallic disco ball slime. Thanks for joining us today. And hopefully we gave you guys some ideas of stuff that you can do while under isolation for COVID-19. Things that you can do with your kids as a family, or you know what, adults can do this too. I found that fun. I don't care about the age limit. I mean, it says 3 and up. It doesn't say there's an upper limit, does it? So thanks for coming, guys. See you next time. Bye.